Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your edited videos in CapCut for PC. So if you're done with your editing on CapCut and you want to export it, here is what you need to do. So first, you guys just need to click on export. So this at the top right here, and here is your work. For example, you can just click on this to remove the watermark, and here you can also change the file location by clicking on this folder, and you can also adjust the resolution, the bitrate, the codec format, and also the frame rate. But if you're done, you just want to go default with this setting, you can just click on export, and then your video will be saved. So it's processing, and you can find it later in the folder that you choose before in the file location before this process. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.